Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Obibia akwa bashunko edeba Too Much GH MSC call na mede ensemwa circulate ewo oman mu ebaba sumu na election we de nyoma papa emu prophecies any emu nia ambemu nia ebe mu netiefo ye papa eye Bishop Daniel Obi ni ma wada asa for International God's Way Church in name se Ghana ha de wajini din or you know ye can one of the popular prophets just say one de one of them just say baby no ade better tie for ebeye na say ni name wa election e be hihye so ni na ye papa den sembi betu dwa na nsem a wode betu dwa eni say election na eba be koso no former president is former president John Dramani Mahama say wo baby ni pa de ni nkuni die pa de wo echire papa na for papa kan say we na wie no na wasa kan say former president John Dramani Mahama ne running mate na Jane no one no che say we a good person na ye mami even though say running mate ne na wachire bi no possible say mami Nana Jane no wo betumi abeye president wo oman native for Bishop Obi ni mu nsem we oyi neji wo no ani OB television che say ye na enim say 24/7 no pen ni dwumedie bi enwewa na wo behu no ne mo mefa se na ye papa ide ensem no etudwa emfa ntudwa pepepepe emfa ema ahwefo ne etiefo see ye Bishop Daniel Obi nimu kan vision awono wonya ye na can say pepepepe share his vision for John Dramani Mahama ahead of the presidential and parliamentary elections slated for December 7, 2020. In his words, Angel Obi narrated that the largest opposition party, that's National Democratic Congress, has a long way to go as far as capturing power in the forthcoming general election is concerned. Papa Bishop Obi ni mu susu say ni vision wonya ye no na woni mu say ye NDC nkunimdie we chire papa ne take my mefa exam into ase. He further stressed that Professor Nana Opoku Agyeman is a nice personality and she is not far away from presidential ambitions. Though Bishop Daniel Obi failed to disclose the one who will emerge as the winner for the general, but stressed on the need that Nana Opoku Agyeman stands a greater chance of becoming a presidential candidate one day. It's therefore when in the revelation when ya some of the betu jano na wo susu say Nana Jane Opoku Agyeman dear say presidential seat no ebe pan that chibia mami obetumi aba be president ewo oman Ghana na therefore Ghana for the same say betodua na just adwenkyere no fo na moto de ba na ebi betire o ma adwen say na esi den na Bishop Daniel Obi ni mtimede nsem say betodua say NDC for womo de akonya na presidential akonya no embe won kra kaninya no ebe din na afei NDC for dodo na demonstrate protest say akonya ne de womo na womo nyaye womo na ma fanti Ghana isi ensambe declare na won be sue former president John Dramani Mahama wada NDC amane ko no wɔn bɛsoɛ ne biom ɛwɔ ɔman yi mu na etiefoɔ prophet dodo na baya na esusu sɛ ɛyɛ MPP amanyɔkuo no wɔn ano bɛfa ɛyɛ akonya no na ebi ɛbɔ gye ho kaa sɛ dɛbi even though sɛ yɛabɛka sɛ ɛyɛ amanyɔkuo MPP na ɛbɛfa akonya no wɔn mfa mpaebɔ ne nneɛma nka akyire na ne nyinaa akyire nyinaa ne tua ne ɛkɔɔ so eduabɔ a yɛ NDC foɔ ekyitaafoɔ bi bɛbɔ yɛ mpaebɔ a ɛkɔɔ so wɔ cemetery ɛna ebi nso gu wɔn maame saman nso sɛ wɔn wɔde ama NDC amanyɔkuo ɛmbra power bie mu na ɛkɔba sɛ ne nyinaa akyi kɔmhyɛ dodoɔ ne nyinaa akyi no obi ne mu deɛ wɔbɛka yɛ no asɛ nea abem ana ɛyɛ abem even though one declare one bold and kase ebia MPP for na befa ana NDC for na emfa na ni de mo hwe se na wosi kan revelation ana wo pa kire se eye NDC for na nya ade a wo mo befa ne ebefa echina na Ghana for ni bi so kase se NDC for na enya akonya no ebo echire ma wo ho then actually essence we election ya course ya utimi mu say percentage ne ben na no credit bi anko so essence up to now easy amanyoko NDC for ne omo pray so say ye then na utimi calculating figures my figures no mistake timi ba no so say ye fishy na enuma ebi mu ka say ye obi nim bishop dan obi nim onim nya waka wonim nya waka essence abatu utimi mu say NDC for na afase na NDC for na apre demonstration protest say woman na mafa ba na bi su say sa na NDC for na fa ye na kata hihye ne proye bi na abepie mu wo isi afa wandi ama NDC amanyɔkuo nti obi ni mu de na asem obeka ne de atonsuo ebi nso say obi nim wo hu ya pa ohu ni revelation no crystal clear say demufo a wo susu say abemu ankasa na NDC so mefa aba no na ache papa na ni na mu gidi say tie ko na hwefo mu nso mu wo madwen kire mu ja madwen kire wo your comment section won fa ma ya fe subscribe to too much if you dey ka say ise na be di dwumedi etumu a won so nsa betumi aka bi na wetumi aka wo adwen say na wo pese wo ka no na fe wo like share promote channel we Mexico musomfo na di dwumedi beto ma apono so de ema mo aha ena me de mu besi na before me de ma no besi kwakwa ye onjume ko mo so ya say mama Julie Ventures oba pese wo kitchen wo ye enika na nya wo pe bia wo wura wa na tese wo nsa kan na wa ye wodwuma ne wodwuma di a wo di wo ho tentem di afa mama Juliet number no bebua ama oba wo kitchen we nya na wo pe ni na wo afa loan master malone within 24 hours ne hu ya ne say wo affordability na ye government worker e wo Ghana ha bo mo dia fa loan master no bebua ama when you urgent money for urgent project etie for aha na mdi mu besi e be san ehia makrabu